Remember, Chowder, to be a great chef, you have to have a great mustache.
Really? Like this? Oh, man.